you've been scrolling through your Facebook feed and you're hearing this sound, you're not alone. This is a common issue on the iPhone, and I'm going to show you exactly what it is and how to fix it. A lot of users on iPhones suddenly noticed a chirping sound when they were scrolling through their Facebook feed, and initially they thought this was an intended feature to make scrolling more interactive. Andy Stone from Meta did confirm that this is a technical error on iPhones and they are in the process of fixing it. However, in the meantime, there is something you could do if this is annoying you. The first thing you want to do is open up your Facebook app, then you click on the lower right icon, which will open up your menu. Then you scroll all the way down to Settings and Privacy. Then you click on Settings. Then you click on Media, and you're going to see this screen. And on the top, you'll see In-App Sound, and make sure you toggle that to the left, which will turn off all in-app sounds, and it'll stop the chirping. In case you're worried, you'll still be able to hear sounds and media from other videos that you play in your feed. Hope this tip helped you. If you enjoyed watching this video, feel free to give me a like and follow my channel.